Alright guys, Pilo again, showing you a little bit more of my world. Still waiting on that update, so I really haven't done any building. Just kind of toying around. Hopefully one day we'll get that update with the workshop and all that good stuff. And here's one of my newest things. And that's Pilo's Customs right there. That's all the new stuff I have to show you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Rate and subscribe. Right on.